Unraveling Number One, a guide to understanding its meanings and uses. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we'll dive into the phrase, number one, and explore its various meanings and contexts. This seemingly simple phrase can express priority, excellence, and even self-importance, so let's get started and master its usage together. Number one often means the best or the top in a list or ranking. It signifies superiority and the highest quality. For example, when we say a movie is number one at the box office, it means it's the most successful movie currently playing. The phrase can also refer to oneself. Saying, "I am my own number one," implies that one prioritizes their own needs and well-being above others. It's a declaration of self-care and self-priority. Number one pops up in various expressions. Looking out for number one suggests acting in one's own best interests. In sports, a number one fan is someone who is the most enthusiastic supporter of a team or athlete. Let's see how to use number one in a sentence. She is the number one salesperson in the company. For me, family comes number one. I hope this video helped you understand the phrase, number one, and its different shades of meaning. Remember, English is full of such phrases, and mastering them will make you a more fluent speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll be your own number one in English learning in no time.